Hello and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely Christmas earring because this is a snowflake that's associated with Christmas. So what you're going to need is a Christmas charm of your choice. You're going to need a finding. This one is a head pin, but you can use any one because we're going to chop off the bottom. You're going to need some beads of your choice, and you're going to need the air wire that goes into your ear. So that's for the earring. And for the equipment, you're going to need flat nose pliers. You're going to need round nose pliers, and also you're going to need some cutters. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to pick up the head pin, and if you've already got a loop on that, that's okay, you can keep that on and you just need to open it. But if you haven't got one, what you need, if you've got like a ball or a flathead, you just need to take your flush cutters, and cut that off. Then what you need to do is pick up your round nose pliers and put it around the middle, clamp it in. Make sure you have nothing here, and then you're going to just turn it and make a loop. So just keep turning until you make half a loop. Leave a little, so you've got a loop here, and you're going to leave a little gap in the middle, because what you're going to do is slide the charm onto it. So just pick up your charm and slide it on. So it should look like that, and then we're gonna close it. So pick up your flat nose pliers like that, and then just hold it and close it. It might move a bit, but that's okay. Just hold it and close it in. So you're going to squash it in to make it nice and secure. There we are. So it might move around a bit, but that's okay. So we've got it on and it's nice and secure. So once you're happy that it's nice and secure on, the next thing you're going to do is put the beads on. So you're going to pick up the beads and just slide them on. But you're going to need to leave a gap up here. It's not going to go, the beads aren't going to go all the way up the top. You're going to leave about the width of your finger, like ½ centimetre at the top. So just put the beads on. I'm using 3 beads, but it depends. If it's a big bead, you'd be using less, or a small bead, you'll be using more. So I'm just going to slide these on. So I've got a bit of trouble looking at finding oh yeah, I found the old. Right. So you should leave a space at the top. This is about ½ centimetre, because we need to attach the earring wire. So you're going to pick up your round nose pliers again, and you're going to put it around roughly in the middle. You're not going to have nothing here, and then you're going to just turn to make a loop. Turn, keep turning. It might look a bit odd at first. Then you're gonna put the round nose pliers on the other side where the opening is, and just pull it inwards a bit, because we're just opening it. So the next thing we're going to do is put the round nose pliers at the tip. So we're going to close it. So you could keep turning until it's almost closed. Then you're going to go to the other side of where the gap isn't, and then just bring it away, and then you can use the round nose pliers to close it. Or if that's a bit difficult for you, you can always take your flat nose pliers and just give it a close. Just hold it. Just bring it near me. Yeah, just hold it like so and close his head. So it's nice and closed, no gap, because you don't want a gap there. So you should have closed it, just hold hold there, hold it like that to give it more strength, and then you've closed it. So it's nice and closed. It should look like this. Should look like that. Now for the final bit, you're going to pick up the link opens. So you're going to pick up the link and you're going to open it. Like hold it one side, and then you're going to open the link. Now for the final bit, you're going to pick up the link, and then you're just going to open the link. So it's nice and open, like so, or just a little gap. And then you're going to pick up the earring and you're going to slide it on. You're going to slide it on through the hoop. So it should be slid through the hoop. And then you're going to pick up the earring, the air wire, and you're going to slide that on as well. Okay, so you've got both of them on. Okay, and then all we need to do is close the loop. There's all different ways to close it, but I like to hold one side with my hand and the other side with the round nose pliers, sorry, and then we're going to just bring it together. Just bring it together. Just hold them and bring them together. Or you can pick up your flat nose pliers and then you just bring them, you can just bring them together so that it's nice and closed. So, yeah, I'm just checking. The earring is lovely and closed now. So you see how easy it was? Make yourself a nice Christmas earrings with the snowflake at the bottom. Or if you don't want a snowflake, any kind of Christmassy charm, maybe snowman or Father Christmas or any other Christmassy charm you can put at the bottom, and then any beads, and then your earrings are ready. So thank you so much for watching my channel. If you've got any comments or any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. I post every Thursday, and I also sell handmade jewellery on my Etsy shop. I'll leave the link below. And I'll leave the link below because I'll leave the social media links below, because I'm also on Facebook and Twitter, and I love to make a lot of jewellery. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Please consider sharing this video to anyone else who wants to make earrings or any other jewellery that I make. And also please share, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next week. Bye.